If you have grapevines in your yard, these pictures won't be strange to you. Yes, powdery mildew is one of the biggest enemies to grape growers, or at least me. It is almost inevitable problem for organic gardeners. You can find a lot of information about it online, but here I'm going to show you some organic treatment I use to control this fungus. You didn't hear wrong. I use the word control because I don't quite think it's possible to completely get rid of this fungus unless you use some really strong chemicals, which as an organic gardener, I don't quite recommend. So I use those pretty common kitchen items to homebrew your own spray solution, baking soda, and vegetable oil. I believe you probably have those in your kitchen as well. Since you might have totally different brand of the same product, so I don't think there's a scientifically correct measurement of the ingredients. I would just suggest starting with small amount of each to mix into your own solution. Maybe start with half spoon of baking soda and a few drips of oil, see if it works. But do remember, if your solution is too strong, it's definitely gonna burn your crop. Are these examples of solutions being too strong that burns the grapes? Another tip of treating the powdery mildew is to act quickly. Act as soon as you spot them. Alright, it's been 24 hours since I sprayed. Look, it's getting a lot better now. At least we suppressed for a few more days. So this one has the same situation. See those grew back a little bit here and here. So if it's not a lot, I just gonna snip it off. But looks like this has quite a lot of them. So we'll just give some spray. And basically not to kill them, because you can't really completely kill them. You're suppressing them from growing back too quickly. Let's see if it's getting better after I sprayed on them. Yes. We still have a little bit here, but it's definitely better than not spraying. Finally, controlling the source of disease is the ultimate method. If you find grapes like this and don't feel like they are treatable no matter what you do, I would just suggest cutting them off the vine and throwing them away, as the mildew will quickly spread onto other healthy ones. My rough estimation indicated that the mildew probably damaged a quarter of my grapes. Plus, another quarter got eaten up by rats and birds, but I was still able to harvest the rest of the grape that started from the spring. Don't underestimate the grapevines. Half still means a lot. And I had to dry them up to make a raisin in order not to waste them. It is a little bit of work to fight for your grape against the mildew, but all the work pays off in the end. Hope my video will help you fight against your powdery mildew for your grapevines. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.